Wagwan guys, welcome to my channel once again. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. To my time subscribers, I appreciate for always showing me love, coming back to watch my videos. So in this video, guys, I'll be reacting to a certain video that I saw, and maybe we should start by watching the video. It's about a guy that has bleached his skin.
You know, so I bleach about 10 years now. Yeah, but since recently, I just got hard in it like a year now. I just start go hard because I sell bleaching cream and people from all over the world always a link to the one cream. So, alright, you see the products them still, and me come up with my own idea to mix it. You see it? So, and me, the woman just mix it. Other people just mix them cream normal, but me do my thing different. And there's certain ingredients, and not all like this, you know. There's certain ingredients I'm putting in it, but I can't showcase because as I say, it's a business. So if me give them out my remedy, I have to keep it secret like KFC recipe.
Skin bleach is linked to skin cancer. Are you concerned about that?
Yeah, no.
I know this when you touch the road that you always have a female or two with them holding an umbrella. Speak to us about that.
Regular basic man. Because it's not like a acne attack. The females them in my skin, outer port, from me touch the road I go certain place, they must say them a forward and them a roll out the umbrella. You see me? So that's my thing. Whether funny me that are in a real life when nobody not see, females always over me with umbrella. Or when I'm touching a Spanish town, I have a female that walk with me and create excitement in a Spanish town. I say, who the nigga here? Yes, so that's my style and grasp attention.
Okay.
Because my cream is so bad. I want to tell you, say, if me do this now, you rub on by your morning, you wake up with a clear complexion. But sometimes we be in a warm water and them things more white, you see me? Because that keep the skin mild.
So within 24 hours, your bleaching cream can change a person's complexion?
Yeah. Quick instant. That's why I name whiter than white. And a joke thing. Rub on in the night and by your morning I get up and see the skin and strip off.
So there you have it, guys. This is the video. This guy is a Jamaican, and I've bumped across this video in one of the YouTube channels. Is the Star? I think it's a media station in Jamaica, and I was like, "What's up? Why is this guy not contented with his skin color?" And I know there's also some guys taking it, doing the same thing. Personally, I would not advocate for it. You should be contented with your skin color, whether you are Indo-Jamaican, whether you are Afro-Jamaican, whether you are Chinese Jamaican, whether you're a white man, whether you're a black man, whatever the color that you have, that is your color. God made you in His own image. You know, when trying to correct that, it's like trying to see that, or rather correct what God intended for your skin. And you know, with this skin lightening and skin bleaching, it has some major health issues that can crop up, like diseases like cancer, kidney failures, and some sort of. Also, I was told that, you know, when you bleach, the skin tends to be so tiny, so such that even if you go in an operation, it will take a lot of time for the skin to heal. This is just part of the problems that comes up with the skin lightening. Also, another thing, I think it's not just good image, as it depicts a bad, as it's like it's glorifying the white, the people with like white complexion to be beauty. Everyone is beautiful in his. You can find a Chinese man, or maybe a Chinese Jamaican that is very beautiful. You can find an Afro Jamaican that is very beautiful, Indo Jamaican, and the rest that are very beautiful in the way they look. Over here in Africa, guys, we have people who are very dark black, or rather ladies who are very dark, but they are very super beautiful. In fact, I used to see one of the models. She's just from Sudan. You know, Sudan has Sudan and some countries in West Africa. They have people with very dark tone skin, but if you look at them, they are beautiful. Some of them are handsome. In fact, they say tall, dark, and handsome. Why are they saying like that? But I don't. In this case, I don't mean only black people are handsome. You can be tall, dark. You can be tall, light, and handsome too. People should not take other people to be much more beautiful than them, and also the health benefit, guys. Also in this clip, I've noticed that this guy is like he's doing it for clout, just clouting. From the video, guys, the guy is saying that the mixture that he does can change the skin tone within 24 hours. What does that mean? Is that really serious? If it means so, then whatever the ingredients or the chemicals that he is using is actually in high in above the normal limit, which is very dangerous. And also in part of the clip, I saw he was being asked if the people who bleach excessively do, most of them don't take bath. He was saying that they do, but at times they don't bath with warm water because their skin is so tiny, they'll feel some pain. Why engage in something that when it will limit some of your, when you want to do something, you are limited? No, it's good to just go with whatever you have. Like me, I only use petroleum jelly. Just apply, or rather milking jelly. Just apply it and I'm okay. Even though I have these pimples or acne, but I'm contented with my skin tone. Even though I'm a bit brownish, but we should be contented with our skin tone. You are beautiful or you are handsome just the way you are. Also, with this skin bleaching, it leaves some marks. And if you saw in the clip, there are some parts of the body that you can't, that just show that they just show that you are bleaching, or rather you are not the way God created you. Like in the, is it knuckles? You'll discover that they are a bit dark. At the elbow, it will be dark. There are some places where when you walk, when the sun goes over you, the whole body cannot be the same. Like the places that you wear clothes will be a bit light. I do see this is light, and this is one is a bit darker. Places like here might be light. Places like here, the elbows, the knees can't be the same. So you'll find somebody looking with it will leave a lot of marks. Personally, I think that is not a good idea. There was a time that this thing was so rampant, and I saw even there's some people who came up with songs about bleaching, but I don't advocate for it personally. We should be proud of our skin tone. We should be proud of our melanin. There's some people, sorry to say this, maybe you are one of them. There are some people who are albinos, and they wish to have that melanin, and then God has given you that skin tone the way it is, and you want to destroy it. I know it is you can do whatever you wish for. It is your right, you can do whatever, but it's not advisable. To me, I don't comment that, I don't support that. We should be proud. Even there's a song by Mr. Vegas, I think it's black and proud, black and proud, black and proud, say it aloud. Me not bleach up my skin. So don't bleach, and I don't advocate for this video. I'm against it. Even the guy is being escorted with some umbrella. I think this guy is just clout chasing. I think he's an artist or so, but he's just clout chasing to look famous. Don't let fame get you to do things that will get to harm you in the future. There are diseases, there are dangerous things, and also it paints a bad picture to the young children coming up. Whatever you do right now, internet is will leave a history. Your children will one day look at, hey, this guy, what was he doing? Our father, our grandfather, what was he doing, man? He doesn't lack his skin tone. And even if you do that and you get a wife, or the child that you will sire won't be any different. It will be he or she will take the genes from the mother or the father, and it will be like so. So this is my video, guys. If you know this guy, go and tell him that what he's doing, it is not that right. And if you're there and maybe you're doing this is just my opinion. I think it is not that right. Stay blessed, and remember, God loves you the way you are. Also, apart from skin bleaching, there are people who do body enhancements like breast enlargement, bomb, and so forth. It's just the same. The health repercussions that come from these things, it is not good. And even there are some people who will lie to you and tell that this is organic. We have mixed some this and this and this and this. They tell you snail and some herbs, etc. But it is dangerous. It is detrimental. You know, these medicines that didn't just come out of the blue. I understand in Africa we have been using herbs, etc., etc. But you know, with the danger with some of these herbs and etc., you might use in lower quantities or overdose, and that will lead to a lot of repercussions. So it's good to follow what proper medics, what they recommend to you, and don't just go and do things because you want to look like someone. Whatever the way you are, that you are just beautiful that way. So cheers, guys. Thank you for staying tuned to or watching this video up to this point. If you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe. My name is Kisaka. Initially, I was using DJ Ninja 254, DJ Ninja. I'm a DJ, but I've changed this channel name to It's Kisaka. Kindly support me by liking this video, and also remember to leave your sweet comment below. Cheers, guys. Until next time, stay blessed, and remember, you are unique the way you are. Love you.